Welcome to training session of reports module. Under this module we will learn how to view reports. For this, first log in with a permitted user ID and password. After login, go to Reports tab. Under Reports tab, select Report Desk and then go to Report LNT. Under Report LNT, you can see under Reports, you can see the number of reports drop down. It shows the comparison report, fitment not possible report, interview pipeline report, manpower histogram report, onboarding summary report, onboarding by project and by owner report, requirement at end of project report, S4 that is requisition to hire report, staff mobilization Oman report, summary of manpower status report and time to hire report. Now we will see one by one report accordingly. Select the first report, comparison report, and search. You can see the date range will help you to search a report within the date range. SBG will help you to select the drop down of the reports which is falling under SBG. Country will help you to select the country to view the reports under the particular country. BU drop down will help you to view the reports falling under a particular BUs. Project drop down will help you to view the reports falling under a particular project and then search it accordingly. Comparison report is nothing but it's an employee report which will help you to compare employee on the basis of the salary, his highest education, that is qualification, the total experience. It means that under SBG, as HCP, under particular country that is Oman, under BU that is Common Services, under Project 1, the division is admin, the position will be onboarding coordinator, the tier level will be 3, that is grade, the name of the candidate, his date of joining, his basic salary is his total salary, and then highest qualification and his experience. In this way you can see the comparison report. Our next report will be fitment not possible report. The clear button will help you to function to clear the search criteria and then search the reports selected. Fitment not possible report will look like this. It means that under a particular SBG that is IOGP, under a particular country that is UAE, under a particular BUs, as BUs is not mentioned under this SBG, so that's why it's showing a blank. They are having a project that is project 29 under a particular project. The monetary reasons is this: number of family status, number of refused location, visa rejected, medically unfit and other reasons. The first 3 reasons, that is monetary reasons, foreign family status and refused location, this count will be coming from the offer letter, and the remaining visa rejected, medically unfit, other reasons will be coming from the onboarding process. Our next report will be interview pipeline report. Interview pipeline report will help the user to see the number of candidates records. It means that the number of candidates, the number of openings for a particular month, for a particular year, under a particular SBG, under a particular country, under a particular BUs and project, the number of openings has this, Under a particular openings, the line manager interview, the count is showing. Under a line manager interview, under a particular openings, the selected candidates is number 1. Offer letter generated. One offer letter have been generated. 1 have been accepted the offer letter. 1 is rejected the offer letter, and 1 the onboarding have been completed. In this way, under SCP, under the country Oman, Common Services BU project under project 1, in the year 2012, there was under the particular month of April, there was an opening of 119. In this, 23 have been gone for lineups, 27 have been selected, offer letter have been generated for 18, 15 have accepted, 4 have been rejected, and 1 is under processing. In this way, you can see interview pipeline report. Our next report will be Manpower histogram report. Manpower histogram report is a chart which will be helps you to see that for a particular month under a particular SBG, country, BU and project, under a particular month the manpower was this much. Here you can see that under the project, under a particular month, the manpower per month was 8 and the cumulative manpower frequency is 16. In this way, you can see the manpower histogram report. Our next report will be onboarding summary report. You can see the onboarding summary reports will help you to see the onboarding process of the candidate according to the grade level. You can see under a particular SPG, under a particular country, under a particular PU and project, under grade 1, the count of the candidates have been selected. Under the grade 2, under grade 3, 4, executive level, supervisor level. In this way, you can see the count of the employees, the count of the applicants have been converted into employee and belonging to a particular grade. Here you can see the total of the grades. Now, in this way, you can see onboarding summary report. Our next report will be onboarding by project and by owner. Under onboarding project and by owner will helps you to view the onboarding process of candidate whose process are under onboarding whose onboarding process are under progressing. For example, it helps you to see the status of the candidate by project and by owner under the particular SPG and the particular country and BU. You can see, you can select the candidate owner and search it accordingly. In this way, the onboarding report will be displayed. You can see that under a particular SPG, under a particular country, PU and project, under a particular department, the candidate name, you can see the candidate name, you can see the candidate name with the step, onboarding step, the onboarding owners and their duties and the process. This onboarding report will help you to see the process of every candidate where they are under processing of onboarding. Our next report will be requirement till end of project. It will help you to see the requirement under a particular project, the count of a candidate whose visas are under processing, whose visa have been applied and they are awaiting for the status, and if the candidate whose visa have already been issued and their flight ticket and they are yet to travel, the count will be shown here. So under the particular SBG, under a particular country, BU and project, you can see that the one candidate, the number of one candidate is awaiting for visa. Candidate will be identified as 1. In this way, you can see requirement till end of project. Our next report will be requisition to hire, that is S4 report. This requisition to hire report the information of this report will be coming from the requisition. It will help you to see under a particular SBG, under a particular country, under a particular PUs and project, under a particular department and position, the number of persons gets shortlisted and the accommodation status accordingly and the source. After source, you can see the employment type, requirement identified, the number of candidates get identified, the number of candidates are already available, the number of candidates falling under a grade, the issue date, documents submitted for visa, visa receive date, visa expected date of joining, and date of joining, and then remarks. So requisition to hire report will be data from creating will be the data which is coming from offer letter issue till his joining date. So it will help you to give the information about the candidate from offer letter issue to the date of joining. So now our next report will be staff mobilization report. See, the staff mobilization report will help you to see the mobilization status of the candidate who have been converted, who have sent to HRMS and have converted into an employee. It will show under a particular SBG, under a particular country, BU and project, under a particular department, the designation, under a particular designation, the candidate who is falling under a particular grade, the status which will be shown as on hold. It will be shown as different status like on hold, on deputed, on direct, on mobilized. This will be the status will be shown. CV referred by, earmarked for criticality rating, line manager. Interview date, contract issue date, tentative date of joining, passport plus photo receipt, medical certification, receive date service, request for visa, visa applied on, visa receive date, salary sent, location, remarks, mobile number, telephone number. This is nothing but it will be showing the information of the candidate who is coming under the requisition, and he has been lined up, he has been shortlisted and selected, and his offer letter have been generated. Till the onboarding process, till the date of joining, information will be shown. So in this way you can see the staff mobilization report of a particular candidate. Now we'll go to the summary of manpower status, which will be our next report. Summary of manpower status report is nothing. It will be show that under a particular SPG, under a particular country, BU project, the number of candidates So under a particular project, the requirements was 40, and total project requirement up to is 159. It will be nothing. It will be showing as manpower planning that the requirement, number of requirement under one project, under the project the requirement till up to, and within this project the number of employees available in the site, and the candidates more required, which will be coming from the onboarding process. So you can see that under a particular project, under a particular SPG, BUs and country, the project under particular requirement, the number of candidates was required is this, and the total project requirement up to was this, and the candidates already available employees is this, and if their requisition have been created for the particular position, the number of candidates which have been selected and their documents have been awaited for visa, under processing, visa received yet to travel, and candidate to be identified under a particular project. So this is the count which will be shown for summary of manpower status. Now our next report will be time to hire report. Time to hire report. You can see that time to hire report will be a process from creating a requisition till the process, the offer letter generating, till the process of onboarding started and ending, and the average duration to join a candidate for a particular period. So accordingly you can get the results listed down. Under a particular SPG, under a particular country, under a particular BU's project, under a particular requisition name, the openings will be joinees, a number of people have got joined, number of requisitions created and yet to join, offer letter issued till the joining date, and requisition due to joining, average time to joining. So in this way you can see all reports accordingly. In a report function, you can see that we are having a function of export to Excel, export to PDF, and export to Word. Export to Excel will help you to view the reports in the Excel format. Export to PDF will help you to view the reports in PDF format. You can also export the reports in the Word format to view the reports in a Word format. In this way you can view all the reports accordingly. Thank you.